Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about mustard greens, and I have a list of herbs and spices that are known to pair well with mustard greens. So if you're looking for some new recipe ideas, something a little different to do with the mustard greens that you have, hopefully this will help you out. On this list we have capers, cayenne, chili pepper flakes, chili powder, cumin, curry powder, dill, garlic, ginger, pepper as in black pepper, salt, and thyme. I do hope this helps. Take care and bye for now.